Hi everyone. We're going to make some patriotic earrings for 4th of July today. So I got me some red, white, and blue crystals, and let's get started. I'm using, let's say it's 20 gauge wire, and they're the tough ones, so we can just bend them down. Hope y'all are having a good 4th of July. The house is cold today, so I have the air conditioner on and I'm freezing. So, but it's better than how hot it is outside. Last week it was in the 90s. And the air conditioner just barely could keep up. I might cut that about maybe a ½ inch. And we just roll it around. Yeah, like that. We'll move a little bit, but so this is that plated stuff. Well, can't find it without picking it up. Maybe I can get that one. Oh, why did I put two white ones on? I wasn't thinking. Right there. And I should have flipped that. Oh, I'll just do that since I'm holding it. Just thought I'd make a couple short little videos that somebody could, just starting out, could do. I've got several earrings that I'm going to put up just for people that are starting out. About right there. About I'd say about a ½ inch. And I think those are 8mm. These are 4. You just roll it around. And all you need to do to make these is to have head pins, which are these. Let's see if this is a head pin. That's a ball pin. I don't have an eye pin laying here. But instead of the ball, it'd be flat, like that one. You just buy your pins. And the eye would have a loop on the end like this. And you can dangle stuff from it. There. And then all you need is some round nose pliers, some wire cutters, and a little pair of chain nose pliers. I've got glue all over these from a project I did. So all you do is open it up. Get the glue. It's dried. So yeah, I did a gem tree yesterday. So, just open, you just twist it open, twist it back. You don't ever pull them open, because if you pull them open, you might not ever get them back to where you need them to be. That looked like it had a little gap there, but maybe not. Alright. There's a quick little pair of patriotic earrings for the 4th of July. Yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for sticking out to the end. Like and subscribe. Check out my other channels if you get a chance. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.